When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, tear all the worries out of my mind. About who I'm supposed to be, I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So here I took an empty plastic bottle. You can take glass bottle or plastic one, same mine. And then I'm adding some foil in bottle to create the texture. So this is just I roughly made a texture with foil on top, and then the other piece of foil I'm creating the figure for the lady. And then I will be covering it with the paper tape. Then I will stick it with the bottle by checking where I have to put her figure in a proper shape. So here I have covered her with the paper tape, and I grabbed the hot glue gun to stick it with the bottle by keeping the figure in the shape, that how much bottle is having shape and how much I want to give the shape. So this is another piece of foil which I am going to make her leg, which will be a little bit prominent. So these things you have to check by yourself, how much style or figure or the pose you want to give any of your sculpture. So these are just my ideas. You can go with your ideas as you want to give the style. So these things I can just explain a little bit, but when you start to work, you know how to manage or how to do the things in your own way. So then another piece of foil which I will be covering now from top, and I will be keeping that leg part of foil under this. So this is this is just for the bottom, a little bit for her dress, like her skirt or maxi dresses. So keep the leg shape a little bit prominent outward. Then you don't need to keep the foil from the bottom to the man's side part, because it should be a little bit prominent that he's wearing a suit, and the girl side should be a little bit foil outward to make it like a style for her dress. So here I'm just adding some more foil as it required to make her figure prominent, to make her thighs and legs prominent. So yeah, this is I'm just adding, and until I will be find that yes, this shape is fine now. And this is going to be the arm for the man. This should be a little bit bigger because he's wearing suit, and it should be a little bit wider than the girl. Then here between arm and it was an empty place, here you can see, which I will need to cover with the foil because we don't need any shape like curvy shape for the man body. We have to cover it like he's wearing suit. And yeah, this is another piece of foil which I am making her neck and her arm with the same piece of foil. So in this way it will be supporting each other. So I bend a little bit of foil to make the neck part, then I will be bringing it downward near to his hand. And in the same way I'm making the other arm as well. So if you are new to my channel, it's really great to have you here. We have reached almost 170k subscribers. Thank you so much for your support and love. Please keep subscribing. This is really encouragement from every one of you, which really encouraged me to keep working, keep going. So yeah, it's really important for me to get subscriptions from every one of you. So do not feel hesitation, just do it. It's totally free. Because I need to create the texture for their dress, we cannot completely say that this is a man's suit should be prominent, should be completely plain, it should not have any texture. It's just a room decor idea, it's a decoration piece. So we are just creating the figure and creating the texture for their dress. So it doesn't matter if you create some texture for the man dress as well, for the man suit as well, I mean, or for the girl. So that's fine. It's just a room decor idea. You can go for anything you want. So here I'm adding some more foil, as I said before, just to create the exact shape. And this is the piece I'm bringing outward a little bit to create the dress shape a little bit, like draping for her dress. So yeah, this is just by your eyes. When you see by yourself, you will know where to add more foil. So then I'm creating the neck for the man as well, and I will be adding the foil on top of the neck as well, to make their head. Then another piece of foil I made arm, which I will be bringing from the back side between her waist, like he's holding her. And yeah, then I will stick it properly. And here you go for the head as well. For the both, I will be preparing the head shape like they are looking to each other. And this is a figure. We are done. Then I will be covering the arms, neck and head with paper tape, so we can apply the papers or the newspapers with the glue on their head and neck and arm. Arms will be only for the girl. Man is having suit, so you don't need to cover that part. So anyway, if you don't want to use the foil, or you don't want to go for these paper, craft paper or the glue, you can go for the clay as well, but I found this one much easy and more stronger. But if you want to create more soft look for their head and neck, arms, those things, you can go for the clay. But that's the way that everybody can afford actually, without any clay. So I will be covering their these parts with the paper tape. I mean with the paper, craft paper. If you don't have craft paper, you can go for the newspaper as well. So here I have white glue, and I will be adding the acrylic paint black color into the glue, so I can color the dress as well at the same time. And I will be applying the tissues over the foil as well, so you don't need to do two steps. First you apply the tissues with the glue on their body, then you color them. So it's better to add the color at the same time in the glue, so it will be easy and time saving as well. So I will be covering all the foil part with tissues and with this mixture of glue and acrylic paint. They are looking so cute already. I really love the texture and the figure. I was actually confused a little bit that I would be able to do these things or no. And I think this is the first time I made the couple, and I'm so happy. And I will be doing some more things, some more sculptures like this, so stay tuned to watch new ideas like this. So here I have this bronze acrylic paint, which I will be using to color their head and arms and those things. And I will be fixing the rough edges and color corrections as well off the camera. So yeah, you need to color and you need to check where you need to fix the things. So for the hat of the lady, I came back to my homemade clay called porcelain clay. So this is, I'm making the hat shape, and I will be coloring it with the black acrylic paint, and I will be masking my hands and arms and clothes with this color. because when I am working I don't notice what actually I am messing up. So sorry if somebody feel irritation, like my hands or my arms and nails are dirty with the colors and those things. I just enjoy my work while doing these things. Anyway, then I have here silver acrylic paint, just to give some shine, texture, and some shade of silver as well, to make it looks like a metal decoration piece. So this is just my choice. If you don't want, you can skip this step. Here again I have took this clay which I'm using to make her hair, which I remember after applying the head. I always forget the things while working, so excuse for that please. And I'm creating like bob cut. I'm giving some texture for the hair, and I will be coloring it with the black acrylic paint as well. And here we are almost done, and I hope you like my this first ever attempt of making couple sculpture. I really enjoyed it, and I was so happy with the first time tried, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. So please give me thumbs up, share my videos on your Facebook, Instagram, so I can get more subscribers. It's really important for me to keep working. If I get more subscribers, or at least I reach 200k subscribers so fast. So here you can see how they are looking beautiful, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video with something new and great ideas. Till that, bye.